Okay, hi guys, Mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. So for today, we're going to do another unboxing video. This will be my first video for Wellness Wednesday. So I actually got the mystery mega box from the Mindful Company, so we're going to open it up together. And I would tell you more about the Mindful Company that is based in Singapore. So if you want to know what's inside the box, stay tuned and let's get started. Okay guys, I'm so excited that I'm starting to do this segment in my channel, which I'm calling Wellness Wednesday, wherein I'll share with you tips or what I'm actually going through, both physically, emotionally, mentally, so that you would know how to take care of yourself. I'm not a healthy person, but anyways, I'll give you a full explanation of what Wellness Wednesday will be on maybe my next upcoming video. But for today, this is something good for your emotional health and your mental health maybe. The Mindful Company is actually a company based in Singapore, and they're a meaningful jewelry. They have meaningful jewelry designs, quality designs actually, that inspires and encourages. I've been their customer since 2016. I actually have the bangle and What Matters series, which I love. I wear the bangle as in every day since I got it, while this is, I do wear it sometimes every day or when it matches my mood. So they're actually a social enterprise that support organizations that are aligned with their mission to evolve the conversation on mental health and well-being. In doing so, they hope to foster inclusivity and care for the community. So they do have, like in their website, if you do check, because although I'm quite familiar with them, but I actually checked their website recently. So they have the reminder bracelet, which I already have. They have reminder jewelries, and they also have other things like cards, tote bags, and candles. This is quite exciting for me because I do love candles, and they have this set with the gemstone bracelet or crystal bracelet. So, and they also have the What Important series that is a collaboration with Singapore Association for Mental Health, and How Are You Today, wherein is a collaboration with Samaritans of Singapore. So enough said. I love them. They're great. They're good people. When you message them, they actually answer. And when I picked this up at their office, which is just near my home, they were so accommodating. They even agreed that I can record or video my trip there, but then I was coming from work, so I was not able. Victoria, stop rambling. Let's open the box. So they launched this mystery box. They have two types. One is the mystery box, which is $60, but you get $180 worth of products inside. You get 3 items. And they have the mega mystery box, which I got, which is $130 with a amount of 420, and you get 7. So when you open this up, they usually do mystery boxes, but I missed out the first one. But yeah, so this is how it looks like. And they do have a card. Oh, I like it because whenever you get something from them, it has this inspirational card that you can actually frame up because it's actually good. Today, tell someone in your life that you love them. Think about 3 things in your life that are going well. Good weather counts. Remind yourself that every mistake equals to growth. With every so-called disaster, ask yourself, will this matter in 5 years' time? Your journey is yours. Don't compare your life to someone else. Kindness matters. It's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. Take a deep breath, it calms the mind. the Mindful Company. You know, whenever I read their cards, whenever I get new items from them, I actually get emotional because I can relate to what they're actually said. And behind the card, they also have this message, and it said, with gratitude, life is never perfect. In fact, it's a roller coasters of up and down and crazy loops. We design meaningful reminders that help you celebrate the ups, be resilient through the downs, and embrace the crazy loops and challenges, which is so true. We hope you enjoy your reminders, crafted with great attention to detail and with the utmost care. We hope your reminders will be a meaningful addition to your everyday life. You know, when I discovered them, that's why I'm one of their regular customers every now and then, because I do believe in daily reminders. After the card is like this, it's all back in a tissue. And let's open. Oh my god, I wanted to buy this tote bag and they have it. Okay. Oh my god. It's Vive is simplicity. I would try to take photos of this and then I would insert it, but this is the bag. I can use this in school as my school bag. So, and it also has a pocket inside wherein you can get other things. So, yeah. It's nice. What is this? Reminder key charm. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go through the reminder key charm. And when I show it to you guys, I would also put the prices. I would go back to their website and actually something to be grateful for. It's a privilege to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, and to love. Yes, that's why everybody has to be grateful. No matter what you're going through, find something. There's even the littlest thing. Smallest thing. Okay, next is a reminder band. Oh, it's a braid. I don't have this. And it's rose gold. And it's my favorite word. It's like they know, yeah, it's patience. Yeah, it has patience, which I actually like. It's one of my favorite things to say to people. Be patient. Be patient, everyone. Live. Approach the world with your arms wide open. Pay attention, wonder, and learn. Each moment counts, and you never know what the next one holds. Oh, this is nice. The packaging is different. It comes with this pouch, and when you open it up, it's a bracelet that has love, Love. It's so cute. So this one is rainbow. I love rainbows. I believe in rainbows. Throughout history and cultures, rainbows are a well-loved symbol of hope, beauty, and promise. A rainbow collection is a colorful celebration of life and its forms of hopes and beauty in everyday and the shared humanity. Oh, that's so sweet. This is so worth it. Oh my goodness. And the nice thing is, so far, I like all the things that I've received. And then the next is, I'm not so sure whether I'm pronouncing it correct. French for friend. To have and to be a friend is one of life's greatest gifts. Ami is a reminder to appreciate the ones who enrich your life in good times and bad. I think I'm going to cry. So last but not the least, you know when you're familiar with the Mindful Company, what they have? That's why I'm getting excited, because the things that I actually got is I've been eyeing it for the longest time and didn't buy. Warrior. Being a warrior is about having the quiet courage to say at the end of the day, I will try again tomorrow. Because tomorrow, the following day is your new chance to make it right. Warrior. I'm a warrior. Oh my god, I always tell myself that people are warriors. You fight your own battles and eventually you will win. So that's it, guys. So what do I actually think? It's totally worth it. If next time the Mindful Company comes up with a mystery box, if I were you, I would get it on the day that they actually launch, because I know they do like sold out quite fast. I'm not so sure whether the mystery boxes are still available when I post this video, but I hope they do. I love Mindful Company, so do check them out. How I wish I can talk more about why it's so important to have daily reminders to yourself. It does help you to have this positive outlook towards life. Everybody is battling their own struggles, their own war. So having this daily reminder for yourself would actually help. It helps me a lot. As in, it helps me. I can't even stop like talking about positivity, how you're supposed to impact other people, how positivity would affect you. And daily reminders are very good for that. And I'm so pleased that I found Mindful Company like in 2016, and I love their company. They're great people. I haven't met them, but with my interaction with them through social media and all, they're a nice group of people and I actually like their mission. So if you like this type of video about wellness, which I'll be starting as a Wellness Wednesday, and I will let you know more on my next video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So, till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!